Cause it's Friday, you ain't got no job, and you ain't got shit to do.
It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah, yeah, come on. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, it's my favorite day of the week. My radio's kicking David Chocolate free. It's a day celebrated all across the nation. Bitches be tripping. What's up with the Asian? Dave with the news, do snack of the day. Rip on in the hot bitch, so way. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah, yeah, come on. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday, bitches. It's Friday. What? It's Friday. What? Yeah, 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 yeah.
What is happening, mediocre people of YouTube? My longtime viewers will recognize that. It is not Friday, it's Monday. And Christmas holiday is officially ended for most of us. I don't know what it is. Everybody's fucking tired today, you know? I mean, what is it about people being tired after the holiday? I think it's just got a lot to do with emotions and things on your mind and la-da-da-da-da. But I was taking down Christmas decorations today, and, you know, the tree, the whole deal. And while I was doing that, I had put Woodstock 94 on the TV. It's on YouTube. I'll put a link in the description. The Woodstock 94 movie. And that was my generation. I graduated high school in 1992. Excuse me, in 1993. 92 or 93? I can't remember. But anyway, that was my generation, and that's what we did, you know. And when they decided to have a 25th anniversary of Woodstock and Woodstock 94, it was a big deal. And no, I did not attend. We almost did. We almost took off and just drove out there because we knew eventually the concert was going to be free, but we didn't go. And it's a shame that we didn't go because I missed out on it. But that was the vibe back then. You guys have to understand something, that, you know, at the end of the early 80s and coming into the 90s, music had changed dramatically. Modern rock had changed dramatically. Modern metal had changed dramatically. Music, our kind of music, had changed dramatically. You had Nirvana come to the scene, and Pearl Jam changed everything. You know, record companies were driving up to Seattle, Washington to find the next fucking band. And they did. They found a few of them, and a few of them were major flops. But it didn't matter. They just wanted anybody from Seattle. That was the big thing. The grunge era came in. Although there was a part of me and my friends that we were kind of against that kind of thing, because we came out, you know, we grew up with the hair metal bands and everything. We couldn't deny it because the fucking music was awesome. So the vibe back then was just, everybody was cool with each other. Listen, I was a young kid. I didn't give a flying fuck about politicians or anything else. As I was watching the Woodstock 94 movie, I thought to myself, yeah, look at that. It was more than 500,000 kids. And it was peaceful. We certainly didn't have a Black Lives Matter tent. You know, there were men, there were guys that liked to dress up as women and everything. There was gays, you know, nobody gave a fuck. It didn't have to be a thing. I had friends that were gay, and it was never a thing. Nobody ever, you know, had to make a big deal out of being gay or whatever, you know. But my point to this is that, you know, it was very peaceful. You know, there was no bullshit like there is today. And I've got a nephew of mine, and my daughter, of course, is, you know, 22 years old. She's young, so I understand that, you know, but it's just that it's kind of, to me, it seems like the younger generation right now is just, all they're interested in is arguing with each other. And that sucks, man. Sucks, bro, because Doesn't have to be that way. I was looking at the list of performers at Woodstock '94. I mean, listen to part of this list: Santana, John Sebastian, Green Day, Nine Inch Nails, Metallica, Joe Cocker, Collective Soul, Aerosmith, Blind Melon, Sheryl Crow. One of my all-time favorites, Blues Traveler, and one of my all-time favorites is Red Hot Chili Peppers. I saw a Chili Peppers show here in Detroit that basically it's a toss-up between who can do the best show, because Chili Peppers, their show was fucking amazing here in Detroit. This is probably 1992. I'm talking about. Jackal was there, Rollins Band, Candlebox, Cypress Hill. These were our bands, man. This was our music. This is what we were doing. And what I see in today, I mean, it's like, what are you guys doing? This younger generation that I see on YouTube, and there's some fucking guys here on YouTube, young kids that can play the hell out of the guitar. But I miss seeing what our generation did, I mean, man, everybody was fucking cool with each other. Of course I had a group of friends and everything, and we were all, the girls were fucking hot. Everybody was cool. We partied. We were all fucking, and I'll never, just like every other guy, I'll never forget when I got that first piece of pussy, man. I just wanted to live in, and I wasn't even, it's not like I was in love with the girl or anything, but I just wanted to live inside that pussy for the rest of my life, Anyway, getting a little off track there, but that's the way it was, though, man. But we were having a fucking blast, and I just wish I could see, some people having a blast, and things not becoming about, I'm gonna bring up a YouTube name here, and I hope he doesn't get mad at me, because Cameron Cooper is an extremely talented guitar player, and I've been following him, since he was just a kid, and even his stuff, what he's doing is just so bought and paid for, I just don't see anybody doing anything original, or these big fucking live shows with actual instruments being played, yeah, so kind of reminiscing today about and I really have no business reminiscing, because I've got so much to do here. I need to get organized over there so I can start playing my guitars and have fucking room to play. I need to get organized in here so that I can, when I need to work on things, my bench is clean. I don't even have time to be making a video right now, but I am, because I'm just, like I said, I just got done putting Christmas decorations away. And this stuff is on my mind, so I wanted to make a video. The other thing I wanted to talk about, I want to get this done. I really want to get this radio done and restored, and I've got to order a ton of capacitors for it. So I kind of wanted to talk about that too. When it comes to guitar players and musicians, and those of us who are also interested in the electronics aspects of it, I'm talking about working on tube amplifiers or even your solid state amplifiers. I've really gotten into that in the last couple of years. I love it. I love working on amplifiers, and I'm not like doing any service for anybody for money or anything at this time, because I just don't think I know enough. It may come, though. We'll see. But I want to make sure I'm solid. And as far as YouTube goes, I think that if you're going to look for somebody to kind of help you out, excuse me. You got one of them burps that just won't come out. If you're looking for somebody to kind of give you guidance in working on tube amplifiers, guitar amplifiers, I think it's obvious that Uncle Doug is certainly the gold standard of electronic guitar amplifier repair and whatnot. If you don't know Uncle Doug, go check out his channel. I'll try to put some links here in the video. After that, Mr. Carlson's Lab. He'll work on guitar amplifiers, but he goes really in depth with amplifiers, a lot of old stuff with tubes, and he goes really in depth with this stuff. He's a good teacher. The new guy on the scene, who I've been following for quite a while actually, he just did a video, and again I'll try to put a link up here in the video. Blue Glow Electronics, Blue Glow Electronics here on YouTube. This guy really knows his shit, and I would put him, you know, from what I've seen of him, I would put him right up there with Uncle Doug. And I really appreciate these guys, you know, because there's not enough of them. I mean, I know 3 on YouTube really that, again, Uncle Doug, Mr. Carlson's Lab, and Blue Glow Electronics are probably, well, they're the only 3 that I would trust to follow as far as that stuff goes. So yeah, I want to, you know, I repaired my Carvin X100B head, which is somewhere around here. I know it still needs to go in the fucking back in the cabinet, but I repaired that, got that up and going again. I've got an amplifier coming that, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys are gonna go gaga over. But my next project, once I get myself, again, there's another video I need to be putting together right now. I have all the footage. The only thing I'm missing is a sound test, and that's for my Strat. So that really needs to be the next video coming. Once I get myself organized here, this radio is going to go up on the bench, and I'm going to try to video document the restoration of it. Oh, how could I forget? Brad the Guitologist. Brad the Guitologist. He is the other guy that seems to really know what he's doing, and he has a lot of good advice and can guide you as far as if you're going to get into servicing your own amplifiers, which is basically all I really wanted to ever do, was just kind of learn how to service my own amplifier, because I know how to service my own guitars, and I've always been interested in electronics, and for whatever reason, a couple years ago, it just became something I needed to do. So I've really been getting into it. But again, even as a young child, I can remember getting little electronics kits from my brother-in-law and my sister, who are still great people to this day. Yeah, so again, let's see if we can put some links up here somewhere where we have Brad the Guitologist. Let's just Uncle Doug, which I consider the gold standard, Brad the Guitologist, Mr. Carlson's Lab, and the upcoming guy who seems to be really great, Blue Glow Electronics. So that being said, I think I'm done with this video, you guys. I've got so much fucking work to do. I've been overwhelmed. It's been sitting here waiting for me for a while, and I've been overwhelmed. I've been in that place where you get so fucking overwhelmed with shit you don't even know where to start. Well, I'm finally fucking motivated to get it done. And as I said, you know, I'm doing some recording as well this winter, and I haven't even really been able to lay down the tracks that I want to lay down. With that, between that and the, you know, the illness going around, I haven't even been able to lay down the tracks that I want to lay down. I've been practicing them, but I haven't been able to lay them down. So anyway, that's my video for today. It's Monday, bitches, and until next time, peace.